And our top focus at this hour, the Luthra brothers, Gaurav Luthra, Saurabh Luthra. They are wanted in connection with the tragic fire at Goa's Birch Nightclub, and they have been detained in Thailand. They are expected to be deported to India shortly. 25 people, including 5 tourists and 20 staff members, they lost their lives in the fire at the Birch Nightclub last weekend. On Wednesday, the Delhi police informed the Rohini court that the Luthra brothers had left the country and they departed within hours of the fire tragedy that fateful night. The court was also told that a non-bailable warrant was already issued against the Luthra brothers by a Goa court. Opposing their plea for protection, the state submitted that both the brothers were deliberately evading investigation and should not be granted any interim relief. The accused, however, told the court through their counsel that they had travelled to Thailand for work-related reasons and now wished to return but feared custodial action. Of course, the court or authorities are not hearing any of it. They have been detained in Thailand now. Thai authorities apprehended the Luthra brothers following a blue corner notice issued by Interpol against them. Meanwhile, India's Ministry of External Affairs has started the process of revoking the brothers' passports on the request of the Goa government. Now, on the other hand, the arrested accused in the case, Ajay Gupta, was brought to Goa on Thursday. He was detained in Delhi. Gupta, who is one of the 4 owners of the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub, was granted a 36-hour transit remand by Delhi's Saket court on the 10th of December. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said that the inquiry report will be ready within 8 days, even as the state begins disbursing compensation to the victims' families and intensifies safety audits and enforcement at entertainment venues. The district administration demolished part of the Romeo Lane restaurant in Vagator, which is also owned by the same brothers. And my colleague, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav, has sent us this report on the detention of the Luthra brothers.
On Thursday, we have seen around 70 flights of Indigo Airlines being cancelled, but on a larger scale, the airline claims that the situation is normal across major airports of the country. There has been no last-minute cancellations in the last 3 days, like how the case